Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic aka Suguru with a 1 star in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday, December the 19th, 2020. Well, actually, it's not today, it's today, Monday the 21st, but on Monday the 21st we have no additional, so I've decided to complete the additional of Saturday. So the last Sudoku we will solve is a Tectonic01. Let me position the camera, and this will be a number 2045. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Triple box we have here. The 1 is already filled in, so the 2 and the 3 are left. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. This box, I think this should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then, let me see. Triple box again. The 2 already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a 4 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then. These 4 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then yeah. Alright. How about these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so these 2 boxes could be a 4. Could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, this triple box, this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. And I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise those 3 boxes cannot be a 1. And I need a 1 in one of those boxes of the triple box. So the 1 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and I have eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes in that box, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes in that box. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left for the 3. The 1 and the 2 are left. Yes. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1 or 2. Because I need a 1 and a 2 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 2. Those two boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 over there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box are left for the number 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Well, I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise the triple box cannot be filled with a 3. And I need a 3 in the triple box, so the 3 cannot be in this box. The 3 should be in that box. Yeah. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. That means that this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Alright. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, a 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and a 1 are left. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 1. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this is going to be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. Let me see. This box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair here. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. A Tectonic with 1 star. Do you think so? Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus, new videos to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. Then we will continue. Bye bye for now.